Good evening, dear friends. Good evening, dear friends. My name is Ishani, grade 5. Today I am host meeting. How are you all?
We are fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. Today Diksha sister will continue the class. Over to Diksha sister.
Thank you, Shani. Can yeah, I guess everyone is fine. Is everyone fine? All
Yeah.
going good? Yeah. So before I start the class, I want everyone to just on your videos, turn on your videos. Like after you enter videos, okay? Yeah, I should see everyone's video on. Anidish and Pranam Rai, Manish, Dhanlakshmi, Chinmayi. Yeah, fine. Yeah, before I start today's class, the leaders of the last class, sir has assigned some of the leaders, right? Can you raise your hands? Dhanlakshmi and is Gagan present today? No, he's not yet in the class. Yeah, Dhanlakshmi,
Yes.
did you start working on the website? Had you started working on your website? Can you hear me?
Just a minute, there's no network.
Yeah, yeah. Trisha, did you start working on the website of your school?
Not yet. I'm just planning about it. As soon as started.
Yeah, fine. So is Gagan there? Yeah, he's not yet. After he come, we will talk to him also. Yeah. So fine. Then, as you all know, we are working on the website of PBC, and we will be continuing the session. I'll share my screen. Madhu, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir, can you enable me to share the screen?
Okay, wait.
Turn on your videos. Don't turn off it.
Okay, now change. Right.
Sir, I sent the
Okay,
request.
okay.
Yes, sir, I could.
Hmm.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah, so as you all know, we're working on the website. We will go to VS Code. Yeah, this is what the code we have completed in the last class. This is my index HTML page where I write my HTML code. In the last class, we learned how to link and we linked it, the style CSS to here. And we took a class div as main to just put the background image for our website. Then we have navbar, which contains all these menus and we also learned icon and logo for that. Then in style CSS, we styled all those things. Yeah, I will open my, first I will open the website. Yeah, this is what we have created in the last class. We created the logo for our website, and have like our three links, which are like href links. We have three links. We learned about it. This space is known as the navbar, and these are the menus, and this is the our logo, and the main div main was used to give this background image of our website. Yeah, this was all what we learned in the last class, and you also learned about some of the new new like you learned about float, and you also learned about justify the content, what it means, and align items. Those are all like the new tag the new element styles you learned. Next, we will continue. We In the last class we gave the coding for the unordered list, which was our unordered list was, yeah, our unordered list was home, about, and courses and content, the menus. Our unordered list was in menus. We were just giving coding for those unordered list and menus. We will continue giving the styles for it. Yep, here I specify it as ULLIA. This is specified as you can see here, ULLIA is the href tag which we have used here for the unordered list. So I'm specifying it. So the link is also um, added for my CSS styling. Like the link is also with the CSS styling here. As I gave an anchor tag, the link also will be adding to the unordered list, and whatever the code here I have given, it will also apply for the link which I have used, the duplicate link which I have used here. As you can see, as which I have used here, the coding will also be applied for it. In the last, you may get confused, like we have already given styling for the unordered list. Actually, the unordered list, we have given the coding only for these things, like home, about, and courses, and there was no changes in the link part. To make changes in the anchor tag, we have also specified the anchor tag here, right here. Then yeah, we'll go to style CSS. Yeah, another list anchor. Then I will give the text decoration as none. It doesn't need like any text decoration for it. So we'll give the text decoration none, and color. Yeah. So the color I will be giving white color, and yeah, color I will be giving the white. Then after that we have font family. Yeah. So font family you can give whatever you want, or whichever you feel good. I will give the Arial font family. Next, we will have the font weight, and this is also a new style which you are learning. Font weight is nothing but you will have the weight of the font. It means like the thickness of the letters you write. Like you know about bold, bolder, lighter. Here you can see lots of things you have here. If you give bold, then the font weight will be in the bold. Like the fonts will be in the bold, and they appear to have lots of weight. And if you give lighter, that they will be having thin shapes, and they will be appearing to be a lighter in the weight. That is what called the font weight. Next, I will give, this is also new, transition. Yeah. So this transition I will be giving as 0.4 seconds. 0.4 seconds. And is in out. Yeah, this one is nothing but you would show it in the website itself. Oh, it's not visible right here. So let us give other color for white instead of white. We'll give it black or anything like that. Yeah. Yeah. So here transaction is in out is transaction is nothing but when you click or click on the things here, how much time it should take to transact it or transign it. That is what called the transaction 4 seconds. You could also increase it or decrease it requirement or as per your as per your timings and whatever you want. You could give the seconds. Here I have given um, 4 seconds, and is in out is nothing but when you click it, it should look like it is in and out, that transaction which you give. uh, if you do presentations in the uh, when you're doing presentation, you will give different transactions. Like when you're doing it in MS Word, or sorry, you're doing it in PowerPoint presentation, that time you will be giving different transaction for the each page. It also works the same type, but it works in the CSS. Yeah. Next, we will give a hover effect for our underline, like the menus like home and all. We will give an hover effect. Yeah, hover effect you already know, I guess. Yeah, in the last classes you have already learnt it. Then is that hover effect? Yes, here you go. Yeah, this hover effect is now you see in my website. Even if I take the pointer here, there is no color changes or any thing like difference in it. It looks like the same. Yeah, it is looking the same. Like even if I take it, it is in the black color itself, and there is no difference, and it is not showing any difference. Like when I even like see and click it on it, also there is no difference. But if I give the hover effect, it will get changes. Like when I come here, the color should change. That hover effect I will be giving. You could also give other hover effects, like when you bring it here, it could get an underline. Like that hover effect also you could give, or like change the color. Now I will be showing how we will change the color, and there are different effects you could give for the hover effect. I will be giving the color changing one. However, first, you should specify the even the link and the anchor tag, even underline, and also the anchor tag also you should specify for the hover effect. Then we will give the color for it. Yeah. Yeah, this is what you give for the hover effect. Let us see. Yeah, after this hover effect, next we will be next we will be skipping into the next thing in our website. Next we will be going to the search button. Next we will be talking about the search button. Um, yeah. So next we will be going for the search button. In the search button, we will know how to implement or put a button for the page and how to give coding for that button. Yeah. Yeah. Here we will give search button. Yeah, so search button will be inside the navbar, but outside the our outside the menu, and it will be inside the navbar. Dev dev class will be the search. Dev class equals you just yeah. So input class, input is something what you take from the user or the visitor of your website. Input function enables them to just give information or input about your website or what you ask. Here the input function I'm calling for the search button. Here if like when you search, you only give the input, right? First you give the input, whoever the website maker may be or whoever the AI machine chatbot maker may be, but the input, the search button, you will only be searching it. So even in the same takes place in our website. Here there is an option for the user to search, and that search enables the user to take enables our website. If I give here input function which enables our website to take the information or the input from the user. Yeah, as I just do it in my get it in the website, then you will know more about what it means and what it works like. And I'm using everywhere the search class, input class, and everywhere you could see I'm using class because here I'm using lots of div tag. So there should not be there should not be any confusions like which div tag and which thing. So I'm using class. So I could specify the each thing. Like if I use class here, you will see every class. I'm specifying the each class, so it doesn't confuse or I doesn't get confused while styling it. That is why I'm using a class. As I'm using all like a div tag itself, it should not get confused for me. So I'm using the class in everything. Like here also I will use class for search. Yeah. The class I'm giving here, and I will give here type equals search and name equals Placeholder equal type to text. Yeah, this part is a little bit complicated. You should understand it properly. Here, as I gave the class, this much everyone understood, right? Like the input function and why do we call that input function? Did everyone get still there? I want responses fastly. Yeah.
Can you explain once again? I'm really sorry, there's a big network issue.
Yeah, fine. From the input, then
Yeah,
Lakshmi. Yeah, fine.
yeah, I'm hearing.
Yeah. As the Dhanlakshmi, you're learning Python, you may know what a input function means. It is the information or the details you take from the user. Here I'm calling this input function because I gave a search button. Search button is in our website. This search button is to search about our website. If the search should go on, the button should work. We want input from our user. So when we want input from our user, there should be a function which enables in our website, which enables the person who visited our website to just input their whatever search they want to should input first should input their details or anything. So we will take the input function here, and this input function basically enables the user or the visitor of our website to search his or her things what they want from the website. We have our about home, and they could search anything from there. Yeah, here input function is for that. Did you get Dhanlakshmi, why does the input function is here?
Yeah, thank you. I got it.
Yeah. Yeah. We have here type search. We have the type search. Can I get a second? Yeah. You can see here we got the thing what we wanted. Here we have type to text. This type to text, the placeholder is nothing but this space. This space is basically known as the placeholder. Here, for this placeholder, I have given the text as type to text. You just give the placeholder as type to text. Then the placeholder itself has the text as type to text. Then the type is nothing but the search. As you know what the type is nothing but typing like this is about the search. So I have given the search, and name I have not like specified any name for it, so you doesn't see any name. We have a placeholder. For the placeholder I have given the type to text because the user or anyone should know what is it, right? See, you can see now. I could input whatever I want. Like if I write WeJump here, you could see it is displaying everything because I have used the input function. It is taking input from me. If I click on that, it is taking complete input from me. This is what I was meaning when I say about input. Yeah. Did you get? Did everyone understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Should I re-explain it for anyone?
No?
Yeah. Do anyone wants me to re-explain? Any others?
No.
No.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, here name, if you even doesn't give any name, it doesn't matter. Like it doesn't disappear anywhere. You can simply give a search and whatever you want. If you doesn't give also, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so let us do our coding for the search part. For our input class known as search and div class known as search. Let us do our coding for that. First, first I will specify our class. Here I have given the class as the div class as the search. First, as you all know, inside this div class we have our search. First, nothing more coding for this div class search. We will have a short, like small coding for it, and like the position, only the width and the position like float, and we will have margin for this. No more like codings. First, we will go with width. Width I will be giving us 330 pixel. 330 pixel. Then that we have float left, float left. Where do you have that option? Float left. Yeah. After we give float left, as I said before, it is specifying the left is just like specifying the position where it stands, and we have margin left as margin left. I will give like more because it is like top distance from this part to here. So I will be giving the lot pixels for it.
Can you scroll down?
Yeah, like you want me to scroll down or up?
Down.
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. Margin left, right? Margin left, I will give it as 270 pixel.
Hmm.
270 pixel. And yeah. So next I'll be giving coding for our another like the small one, that is the where we have our what was the name right now? Yeah, for the input class, like this whole line, what we have, the most of the coding comes in this search part itself, because there where we get coding for our main search item, where we get coding is here itself. So there will be lot coding for this search button, and first we will give the font family for it. Font family times New Roman. Yeah, you could give any font family as you wish. Next, I will give the width. Width as 200 pixel. Yeah. Next, I will give the float left Then next I will be giving, sorry, float is not necessary for it. Height. Yeah. Height I'll be giving 40 pixel. Height is nothing but everyone know about height and like width, right? I have explained in the last class. Do you want me to explain again about the height? If you want to raise your hands, and if you know about the height, you give a thumbs up or respond. I want response fastly. Can you hear me, everyone? Yeah. Yeah. So height you have known. And anyone want me to repeat about the height?
No.
Yeah, like height is nothing but the thing like this height. You know, when you're doing mathematics, you have like a rectangle, then height and the breadth, right? Height is nothing but this area. The length here is known as the height. I will give height as 40 pixel. Let us see. Yeah, you can see 40 pixel is about like this much height it comes. 40 pixel, the height has increased. You could observe it in yeah. Yeah, after the height, I will give the background for it. Background will be transparent. I will give it as the transparent. Then border for the box, it is in the, actually if I see it, if you like see that 1 pixel. Mm, 1 pixel solid. Yeah. 1 pixel solid, and then you give the color for it. Sorry. Yeah, fine. So you will know what is border if I go to the page directly. Now there is nothing here, like a thin line. There's a thin line around, like in the black color. That is what called the border for the uh thing. Yeah. Can you observe that the border has like boldened itself? Did you observe it? I want responses, please. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So did you see that the, just a second. Yeah. So you can see the around thing, no? That is what called the border. And if you increase the border for the 3 pixel and chuck it right here, you could see the border was increased. So that is how you increase the border. And next we have, yeah. So you also got the color for your like the input box, the search box. Yeah. So after that, I will give the margin top. I think so. Something is wrong. Margin, top I will be giving the 13 pixel. You could see it just shifted down. Next, you have the color for the text or anything. Color I will be giving the white color. This. Which is it? Yeah. So after that we have border right. Border right will be like none. I will not give any right border for it. Yeah. After the none, next we have font size. Font size and font size I will give it as 16 pixel. 16 pixel. Oh. Font size I will give it 16 pixel. Why is it not here? There's anything wrong. Yeah, so font size I will give as 16 pixel. Then float left, float left. The code like goes on like repeating. The same code goes on repeating again and again. Sometimes, and we have padding, just the whole padding, not like specified like left or right. We have the whole padding, and I will give the padding as 10 pixel. Yeah, after padding we have border bottom. Yeah, this would be nev for you. Sorry. This would be like a nev thing. Border left, border bottom left radius. Yeah, this is nothing but the border left radius. Border left radius. This part, the corners of the thing, how they should look like, how much radius or the border they should have, will that specifying that we use this style. Border left radius is nothing but the left is this side, and it specified this part, the how much radius or the how much like the percent or the pixel it should be having, and the corners was the specified thing, and the right radius is also the same way. So for the both we will give as 5 pixel itself. It should look uniformity. So next we have border bottom right radius will also be 5 pixel. Five pixel. Yeah, so for here, our search button, like the thing or the coding for our search button will be completed. And yeah, so let us see how our search button looks like. Yeah, you could see how our search button looks like. The border, you can see it has changed, and you could see the all things we have given here. Yeah, is working. Next. Yeah. So after this, we will be continuing in the next class, and I will just recap whatever we learned today. We learned about the input function today, and we learned about what is a placeholder. Yeah, can Payal?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you summarize what we have learned in today's class?
So in today's class, we learned and we coded the search button.
Yeah.
First we gave a different color for the menu, which is home, about, courses, and contact. Then next we went to create a new search button where we can search about the website. For that, the we gave the we gave the border for it and changed the border colors and gave the pixels. Then we gave the width, then the margin, then again we gave the search, but we gave the coding for search button, in which in which it shows the when the like input to give information about and the details. To search for that, the text, we gave the text size, font, color, and then at last we made how
My
to
voice audible for everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, fine. Yeah, continue, Payal.
we came to know how to create a search button in a website.
Yeah, thank you, Payal. And do anyone have any doubts about how to do it or anything? First, I'll summarize. Then, if you have any doubts, you could ask me again. Okay? Yeah. First, yeah, fine. So first, we in today's class we learned about only about the search button. As it is a wholly new topic for you, how to create a button. So I took it a whole class to show how to create a button using this. First, we have an input. Input function is nothing but it takes the information or the details from the input from the user. I mean, then we gave the placeholder as type to text, and you learned about the new things like um, the font weight. You learned font weight, transition, what is transition, font weight, and you also learned new things like border, bottom, left radius, and this one, right radius, and you learned about, yeah, and you learned about background transparent, how it looks, and you came to know how the background transparent actually looks. Yeah, that was all about today's class. If you have any doubts or any queries, you can contact me, or you can directly ask questions and for my contact number. And Dhanlakshmi. Is Dhanlakshmi here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to ask, did you start working on your on your website for your school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you discussing with your friends and creating it, or what?
Yeah, with friends itself.
Yeah. Fine then, Lakshmi. So yeah. I doesn't think Gagan has attended the class today. Yeah. So that was all about today's class. Any questions or queries, please you can just contact me. Yeah, that was all about today's class. Thank you for attending. I would stop my share screen. Stop share screen. Share screen. Yeah. So Chinmay, is Chinmay here? Chinmay, is Chinmay here? Fine. Pranam Rai. Pranam Rai, can you hear me? Syed Yasaf. Syed Yasaf, can you hear me? Response. Disha. Yeah. Yeah. So Disha, can you say about the input?
Yeah, so the input tag is used to take the input from the users and it takes the information about from the users, like
Yeah.
about their thought.
Yeah. So why did I use input function in the search button?
To take the input from the user to search the
Search the.
just the
Yeah.
input.
Yeah. Thank you, Disha. So that was all about our today's class. Yeah. So you can leave now. Thank you for attending the class. And the next class, we will know more about the other things about the website creating. Yeah. Thank you.